So welcome students. In this question you're given that have an ellipse where f and f dash are foci and b is one end of the minor axis. Given that in this ellipse this angle fb dash is equal to 90 degrees. If that is so, what is the eccentricity of this ellipse? What the condition that is given is the angle fb dash is equal to 90 degrees. So if that is so, how can we convert this into some equation which can help us get the value of eccentricity? So if this value is 90 degrees, because this triangle is symmetric, this angle has to be equal to 45 degrees because this is also equal to 90 degrees. So because this is 90 degrees, these two sides are symmetrical, this angle has to be 45 degrees. Now, if you take O as the center, in the triangle OFB, OF has to be equal to OB, right? This implies AE is equal to, this distance is nothing but AE is equal to B. E is equal to B by A. So E square is equal to B square by A square. And B square by A square is nothing but 1 minus E square. So 2E square is equal to 1. E is equal to 1 by root 2 is the right answer to this question. Thank you.